Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all fine and fit. Welcome to my YouTube channel for upcoming test preparation. So here you will get fruitful knowledge. Inshallah, it will knowledge helpful for you. So again welcome jobs preparation with Shumaila. तो आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है और अपकमिंग जो टेस्टें हैं वो चाहे सिंध पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन की हो या IBA वालों की हो या स्क्रीनिंग हो या IELTS हो, किसी भी हो, उनमें बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो हमारा टॉपिक है वोकेबलरी में सिनोनिम एंड एंटोनियम। सिनोनिम और एंटोनियम हर अपकमिंग टेस्ट में आते ही रहते हैं। ये इंग्लिश में ज़रूर आते हैं, तकरीबन 10 से 5 क्वेश्चन हर टेस्ट में इनके होते ही होते हैं। सो फर्स्ट वर्ड जो है हमारा है वो है पेजोरेटिव और ये पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच के तहत ये एडजेक्टिव है और इसकी मीनिंग है शदीद तनकीद करना या फिर नापसंदगी और ये एक्सप्रेसिंग कंटेम्प्ट और डिसअप्रूवल इसकी मीनिंग इंग्लिश में होगी। और इसके सिनोनिम एंटोनिम्स हैं जो वो हैं सिनोनिम फर्स्ट है डिस्पैरेजिंग, डेरोगेटरी and now move the antonyms. So first one antonym is complimentary, approbatory. Now let's move the another word for vocabulary and also we know the synonym and antonym. So another word is sporadic and its adjective and इसकी जो meaning है वो है किसी जगह कभी कभार and the synonym is occasional, infrequent, irregular and their antonym is frequent, regular, steady and also continuous. And this word we use as our sentence. For example, sporadic fighting broke out. Now another word, our exorbitant. It is also adjective, बहुत ज़्यादा महंगा and the synonym is extortionate, excessively high and the antonyms is reasonable, competitive and we also this use as a sentence. For example, some hotels charge exorbitant rate of calls. Now another word is persist. It is verb meaning बाकी रहना, कायम रहना, साबित कदम रहना and the synonyms is persevere, continue, carry on, go on and antonyms is abandon, stop. And the example is the minority of drivers who persist in drinking. कुछ वर्ड सिनोनिम्स के ऐसे हैं जो मैं नहीं बोल रही वीडियो में पर लिखे हुए, तो आप वो भी पढ़ सकते हैं वीडियो को रोक के। And now we move another word. It is predicament and it is noun and the meaning of in Urdu is खतरनाक सूरत हाल, बुरी हालत and the synonyms is difficult situation, awkward situation, mess, difficulty and their antonyms is advantages, agreement, benefit and the example is the club's financial predicament. And another word is mitigate, it is verb and the meaning in Urdu असल से कम का अंदाज़ा लगाना, कम करना and the synonyms is alleviate, reduce, diminish, lessen and the antonyms of mitigate is aggravate, increase, intensify and the example of drainage scams have helped to mitigate this problem. And now we move another word. It is judicious, it is adjective. The meaning in Urdu akalmandana, danishmandana and the synonyms is wise, sensible, prudent, politic, shrewd and the antonyms of injurious, foolish, ill advised and we use judicious in our sentence. For example, the judicious use of public investment. In other words is obstacle. It is noun. In the meaning Urdu रुकावट or अटकाव and the synonyms is barrier, hurdle, stumbling, block, bar, block and the antonyms is advantage, assist, aid and we use this word in the sentence is for example The major obstacle to achieving that goal is money. And now we move another word, sedate. It is adjective in the meaning Urdu, pursukun karna, sanjeeda, and the synonyms is calm, tranquil, placid, composed. And the antonym of sedate is exciting, wild, fast, and we use in the sentence. For example, in the old days, business was carried on at a rather more sedate pace. So our new word is moot. It is adjective and the meaning fuzzy case learner. Mostly this word is used for lawyer and the synonyms of this word is debatable, open to debate, open to discussion, and the antonyms is certain, definite, settled, sure, and we use this sentence whether they had been successful or not was a moot point. Another word is assent. It is verb and the meaning razaman manzuri and the synonyms is agree to, accept, approve, and their antonyms is dissent from, refuse. And we use this word in a sentence. For example, the Prime Minister assented to the change. And we move another word. So our another word is grotesque. Grotesque, it is attractive in the meaning of badi shakal, bigli hui shakal, bejod. The synonyms of grotesque is malformed, deformed, mishapen, and the antonyms is ordinary, normal. And we use this word in our sentence. For example, a figure wearing a grotesque mask. This word is very difficult to pronounce, but we try in a syllabus to pronounce this word. And we another word is meticulous. It is adjective in the meaning Urdu, be-intaha muhtat, and the synonyms is careful, conscientious, diligent, and their antonyms is careless, sloppy, slapdish. And we use this word in our in our sentence. For example, the designs are hand glazed with meticulous care. Now we move another word. So it is posterity and it is noun in the meaning Urdu aulad al nasal, synonyms future generation, succeeding generation, those who come after us, and the antonyms ancestor, forebear, producers. Now we make a sentence in this word. Example, the victims' names are recorded for posterity. And another word is plausible. It is adjective and the meaning in Urdu bizahir, maqul, and synonyms is credible, reasonable, believable, likely. And their antonyms is unlikely, improbable, and we use this word in our sentence. For example, a plausible explanation. Hope you all enjoy and digest this vocabulary and also synonym and antonyms. Our new word is provocative. It is adjective and the meaning stall gaze and their synonyms is annoying, irritating, exasperating and their antonyms is soothing, calming and we use this word in our sentence. For example, a provocative article. Any question from this video or vocabulary you can go comment section and comment. Now another word is grandiose. It is adjective, wasiya, aris, shan, vashokat and their synonyms is magnificent, impressive, grand and their antonyms is unimpressive, humble and their example is the court's grandiose feast. अच्छा इसमें एंटोनिम्स सिनोनिम्स किसमें कितनी तो अगर आप पढ़ना चाहें तो आप वीडियो रोक के पढ़ सकते हैं. नाउ मूव इन अदर वर्ड. इट इज़ circumspect. It is adjective and the meaning motat, hoshman, jukas. And their synonyms is cautions, worry, careful, chary, and their antonyms is unguarded, incautions. And we use this sentence. The officials were very circumspect in their statement. Apocalyptic, it is adjective. Kashfi, alhami, and their synonyms is catastrophic, momentous, ominous, and their antonyms is good, fortune, happens, miracle. And we use this word in our sentence. For example, the apocalyptic visions of ecologists. So now we move another word. So it is earnest. It is adjective. Biana, Zarpashki, and their synonyms is serious, serious-minded, solemn, grave, sober, and their antonyms is frivolous, apathetic, half-hearted. And we use this in example in earnest student. Now we move another word. So it is a dereliction. It is noun, choda hua, turkmal, synonyms, dilapidation, disrepair, decrepitude, and this antonyms is fulfillment. And we use this in our example. A 15th century farmhouse has been saved from dereliction. So now we move another word. So it is disillusion. It is verb. रूट जाना गलत फहमी से आज़ादी. And their synonyms is disabuse, undeceive, enlighten, set straight, open someone's eyes. And their antonyms is deceitful. And we use this in our sentence. If they think we have a magic formula to solve the problem, don't disillusion them. So आज का जो हमारा ये टॉपिक था वोकैबुलरी एंड सिनोनिम एंटोनिम्स, आई होप आप लोग जल्दी से इसे डाइजेस्ट कर लेंगे और ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं वोकैबुलरीज, आप ज़रूर याद कीजिएगा, इससे आपकी इंग्लिश भी इम्प्रूव होती रहेगी. तब तक अल्लाह हाफिज़, अपना ख्याल रखिएगा और दुआओं में याद कीजिएगा. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.